Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing great. Here, this is the one of the update video with respect to our upcoming series. So here we are going to start a Kubernetes series. It includes what exactly this particular series contains and what you are going to learn in this series and a clear learning path in phase wise starting from beginning till the advanced level and practical also, and also seeing who is this for this targeted audience, and also there are certain special things out of this series. Let's see all one by one. I don't want to take much time. I try to cover as soon as possible. And here, as I said, it was a Kubernetes uh, mastery series where you will be learning from real world implementation perspective along with the theory. Okay, and there is no hiding topics or there is no topics that left over. I will be covering each and every thing from beginning till the advanced uh, through including the practical hands-on also. Okay, so it will be beginner friendly and DevOps ready, and also the hands-on labs and interview preparation I'm going to add in this particular series. And here, why exactly this series? So here, obviously, I have also made long back a Docker series. That means explaining the Docker concepts. But due to some, I mean, there is a certain challenges with respect to the Docker. So learning Kubernetes is kind of excelling yourself. Okay, so obviously, with the help of Docker, we need to manually manage those containers, and whenever it wanted to be done on scale, then obviously that will help. I mean, that will get a error, and obviously human intervention was needed. And it is very much difficult when we go with the scaling. That might be with respect to the traffic spikes or rolling updates or zero downtime deployments maintaining, and nearly impossible to maintain these manually. Okay, and here why Docker alone is not enough? Why? Because you need a kind of orchestration platform where that can self healing as well as self load balance that. And here for that particular solution we are going with the containerization platform. It is a open source, and it was developed by the Google, and it was like acquired, or sorry, it was what we can say followed by many of the companies as a standard. Okay, so here without Kubernetes it is like chaos, like maintaining all the containers together. It is very difficult. So that's where our container orchestration platform came into picture, Kubernetes. Okay, where we are going to orchestrate the Kubernetes, I mean the Docker containers. And here the name Kubernetes reflects to there is a 8 letters in the Kubernetes word, so in short term we say K8s. Okay, and here let's see what exactly you are going to learn in this particular series. First thing was I will be going in this particular flow. Okay, starting from fundamentals, let the core objective, networking, security and scaling, and DevOps as well as CI/CD implementation. And here the Kubernetes from scratch you are going to learn. Obviously, if you are a beginner, okay, no need to be worried. You don't need to have a kind of prior knowledge. I will be try to cover from scratch. Okay, and core concepts we are going to cover was with respect to the power deployment services, and explained those in a simple as well as the clear understandable presentations. And also we'll be seeing with respect to the architecture, like what is the control plane, what is the node, and how the etcd, how the API server, and how those work together. And also, we will be seeing the concepts with respect to the networking and storage, that might be Ingress, VPCs, and config maps. And also with respect to the security, we are going to see the RBAC, network policies, and secret management. And finally, a kind of real world CI/CD with respect to the GitOps, Helm, and Argo CD implementation point of view. Okay, so on an high level, these are the things you are going to learn in this particular series. Now, coming to here, what exactly the series roadmap? So it is obviously a kind of eye opener, or else a very informative thing I can say, where we are going to learn this complete learning in a proper learning curve with phase-wise manner. Okay, in the fundamentals, we are going to see what exactly the Kubernetes and architecture and what exactly the kubectl basics and cluster setup practically. And in the second phase, we are going to see the core objects, like what exactly the pods and replica sets, deployments, services, and ingress and config maps and secrets. And in the phase three, it is more into kube networking and storage, where we'll be seeing VP and VPCs, CNI and DNS naming and storage classes, network policies. And in the fourth phase, we are going to cover the security and scaling, primarily the RBAC, namespaces, horizontal pod autoscaler, vertical pod autoscaler, HPA and VPA, and resource limits and taints and tolerance. And finally, in the phase, we are going to see the advanced DevOps concepts that might be with respect to the Helm charts deployment, Argo CD, and GitOps deployment. And we are going to set up a kind of understanding the monitoring part also with respect to the Prometheus and how exactly the production hardening works. Okay, these are the kind of learning path we'll be seeing or we'll be covering in our series. And finally, who is this for? Especially if you are a DevOps engineer, this will be helpful, and if you are a developer also, it will be helpful, as well as system administrator also. And if you are a kind of a fresher or else a Docker user or any interview seeker, then obviously this series is going to be helpful for you. And a kind of quick recap out of this particular series. So we'll be seeing what exactly a kind of a real world explanation about the Kubernetes, how exactly the production patterns works, and along with the theory, we are going to see practical perspective also. And also, this particular series is going to be beginner friendly and more into advanced concepts, starting from more simple concepts till the complex advanced concepts. And also, we'll be seeing the hands-on demos where each and every concept will be seeing a kind of live practical along with the theory part. And also at the end, by the series completion, we are going to see a kind of interview focused session questions and the answers also. So entirely in this particular end-to-end journey, you will be going to learn a complete production ready grade CD pipeline implementation and understanding. So yeah, that's it for this particular video, and let's learn together and keep do subscribing for the channel for getting more updates. And I will be sharing a kind of a first episode in upcoming series. And thank you so much for watching.